Hey guys, Booligan with Booligan Shooting Sports here. Quick video test at the range of my Crickett bolt action suppressed, as you can see with the suppressor installed, pistol in a 3D printed chassis with side folding arm brace and a very long high relief pistol style scope. Had a lot of questions. Why? Why would somebody build a bolt action pistol, first off? Because bolt action pistols are fun. Not everything needs to be run and gun. You can just kind of take your time plinking a little bit. Why did I build it on a 22? Have you shot a suppressed 22? Let's shoot this suppressed 22. The thing about a suppressed 22, especially when you feed it subsonic ammunition, is that it's really goddamn quiet. That was me ringing the steel, kind of in an awkward position at, 35 yards? Yeah, that's why. Let's quietly shoot this some more. And my target just fell over from the awesome power of the 22 long rifle. No, just because it's kind of frozen out here. It was snowing like 8 minutes ago, and now it's blue skies because Utah is bipolar and doesn't understand what it wants to do. But that is why you build something like this. This thing, smiles per dollar, if you want to call it, or smiles per round, is damn near impossible to beat. It's just so much fun to shoot. If you have someone who is, recoil adverse, or who is, just a little nervous about shooting a gun for the first time, what better package to bring out and let them shoot than something, you notice I don't have ears on? Than something that just, hell, I've got airsoft guns that are louder than this and have more recoil than this. This is just so much fun. And then you take it, at the end of the day, you're done shooting, you take off the suppressor. I put the barrel nut back somewhere else, so we're not gonna be able to put the barrel nut back on it. You take your suppressor and you put it right there on the chassis in its nice little spot, and you put this in your backpack, or hell, your particularly big cargo pocket, and you go home. Why would you not want to have this? This is so much fun. Practically, no, it doesn't serve a huge purpose, but like I said, if you're out backpacking, if you're out trying to gather small game, that was shooting on about a piece of paper at about 35 yards. Offhand, weird, not shooting with the brace the way it's supposed to be shot. This wasn't strapped to my arm, it was just kind of there. And it just works so well. Like, you could gather small game with this. You could take some raccoons if you felt like eating raccoon. You could take squirrel, you could take rabbit. I struggle to think of a better, just backpacking gun for fun and to go out plinking and to set up some tin cans when out shooting, or, if you need it to actually serve a purpose, to get out there and take some game. So that's realistically why I did this. Again, I don't understand people's aversion to this thing. I get a lot of comments on the YouTube videos saying that this is pointless, this is the stupidest thing they've ever seen. Well, then don't make one. I'll be here enjoying mine. Thanks for watching.